Today we'll see operators in Python. So we need operators which tells what operation to perform. Like there are many operations when we are taking the data. So on data, what operations we are performing, whether we are we're doing multiplication, or we are doing addition, or we're doing comparison. So there are different types of operations. For every operations we have operators, but largely we have two operators. One is unary operator and one is binary operator. So in for any operations, the logic is we need to provide the data and then the operator. Yes. So where you are providing the data, in which sequence we are providing the data. That's what basically we have binary and the unary for that. So in other earlier languages, we used to say like operand and operator. These are the two very important things. Operand and the operator. So here operand is it can be a variable or a memory location where the data resides, and the operator is any operator which operation we are performing. Yes. So in unary, a single operand need to be given in unary, and in binary two operands should be there, two operands, and unary matlab only single operand will work out. So we have different types of operators here. So there are classification, but for simplicity I have taken only one example for each and every operator level. For example, I say arithmetical operators. So in arithmetic operators we have addition, we have subtraction, we have division, we have modulus. So we have almost 6 to 7 operations are there we are doing. So here one example I have taken in arithmetical operators, C equal to A plus B. So here you can see A and B, the data are operated, like here it's a plus. So addition will be done and stored in a C. So like this I can change it to minus or multiplication or division or modulus. So these are arithmetical operators we have. Similarly, we have assignment operators. So assignment operators basically equal to the assignment operator. So you can see one more example, x plus equal to 2. This is actually x plus equal to 2 is same as x equal to x plus 2. It's a shorthand form of writing the expression. So x equal to x plus 2, same as x plus equal to 2. So this is assignment operator where we assigning the value to the particular operand or to particular variable. So then we have a comparison operators, just like a relational operators we have. The same way we have comparison operators where we have equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So we have many here. So in this example, so small example, x equal to 5 and print x less than 5. So this result will be will get the result. So in this way it will be performed. Here I have used the less than symbol. You can use less than, equal to, not equal to. So we will be using those things in conditions and other things. Then we have logical operators also. In digital electronics we work with and, not, or. Same way here we have those logical thing. So logical operators basically checks the condition. So you know the truth table of and, or, and the not. Same way it performs. So in this example, you can say x equal to 5 and print x less than equal to 3, and here, so this is a operator I'm talking about. If both this expression and this expression both are true, then only this is executed. The statement will be, result will be printed. Yes. So both has to be true. If I would have used the or here, if there's the or here, then either one should be true. So in when we were writing a program that time, we will be using those things when we are checking the many expression and then taking a decision. Yes. For example, real world example. Suppose if when I have a multiple condition to check before executing anything, I want to have a food. So I want to have a food, and then there I check multiple conditions. If time is there, so that is the first condition. Time is there, if money is there, sufficient money, if I am having some anything like pizza or burger, so that time, if my money is above 100 rupees and time is below 11 o'clock and location is near, then I'll go and have that particular food. So there I check the multiple conditions. So there, the example what I have taken, so I strictly checked the AND condition there. So all the expression value should be true, then only output is true. So that is logical operations, and or not. Then we have other different types of operators here. That is identity. So in identity we have two operators, that is and is not. So for checking identical values in particular variable, we use is. Suppose A is 10 and B is 10, and if I want to check whether both the variable has the same data, so that I check with the is operator. And if for non-identical values, we have is not. So is not is, again we have an operator. Then membership operator, here we have in and not in. Now when I'm dealing with the list or arrays like sequential data, so that time I want to check whether I want to check the sequential order of the data, there I use a in operator. And non-sequential data we check with the not in operator. This is membership operator. So like this we have several operators to perform different types of operations, depend on what how I'm performing that particular to solve the problem. Yes. So this I have taken one example. This is one expression. Expression is a combination of the operator operand. So to return to get some value. And here every operator has one precedence level which is a highest priority, then next highest priority, like that. So here in this case, this is one expression, x equal to 5 plus 3 multiplication 2. So this is not evaluated or executed on left to right basis directly. First it has to be converted. Actually, in higher classes we'll come to know how the expression is converted to the left and then it is evaluated. Yes. So in this case, first multiplication will be carried out, then that multiplicated value is did summation with the remaining part, and the result will be stored in this part. So by this example we can say like multiplication, division, this is a higher priority than the plus and minus and division operator. So like that, now the operators which are higher than this level is bracket usually is a higher priority than any other operator. So like this we have several operators to perform the operations, and levels also I have explained, which is just for example I'm explaining this. Bracket is the highest priority, then after that you can say multiplication, division and other things, and plus minus, this comes at the lower priority than these things. Like that we have many levels there. So depend on the levels, the processor execute the particular operations. So this is about the operators in a Python. So in next session we'll see the several other examples, how these operators expressions are evaluated based on the precedence levels.